What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to round corners of photos in Photoshop. First, open your image in Photoshop. To start, you need to unlock the background layer. Do this by double-clicking the background layer in the Layers panel and clicking OK in the dialog box that appears. Next, go to the top menu and select Layer, then Vector Mask, and choose Reveal All. This adds a vector mask to your layer, which allows us to create the rounded corners. Now, select the rectangle tool from the toolbar on the left. At the top of the screen, you'll see options for the rectangle tool. Set the mode to Path and Radius to around 60 or 70 pixels, or whatever value you feel is suitable for your image. This value determines how rounded the corners will be. With the rectangle tool selected and the radius set, click and drag on your layer mask to create a rectangle that covers your entire image. Once you've drawn the rectangle, press Enter to apply the changes. You will now see that the corners of your image are nicely rounded. This method is quick and efficient, allowing you to easily round the edges of any photo in Photoshop. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.